We are selling Wayward Winds, our beloved Gemini 3000. She's a 1988, but she was refurbished in 2020, 2021. She's got all new running rigging, all new standing rigging. She's powered with a 60 horse Mercury. Topside was repainted. Got 300 watts of solar up here. Come on on, I'll show you some more. $22-gallon fuel capacity. Installed in 21, brand new Autopilot, wheel style Raymarine Autopilot. Depth and speed gauges, 60 gallons water capacity. Propane hatches are out here, propane and battery. We have full enclosures for the cockpit. She comes with an 8-foot Sportyak with a Honda 2-horsepower outboard motor. She's set up for outdoor showering and already pre-piped for an instantaneous hot water heater out here. Inside, she's got a spacious salon to sit at. That's nice because looks like she's deck stepped, but in truth, the mast comes all the way straight down through this 4x4 onto an I-beam when it's settled between them. So she's very stable, very nice in the water. All the woodwork has been epoxy coated. Just past here, you come past the refrigerator. And here on the starboard side, this is the starboard side berth. It's a double berth. This area also has plenty of storage. It's got its own vent in there so you don't get hot. It's also got the microwave and the compass inside there. We've got a powered vent with LED lights here in the galley, and propane stove and oven, force 10. Water system, we've got manual pumps and pressurized water out of a 12-volt system. This is the main cabin. This is a full-size bed, but it's also nice. We've got this nice storage cabinet over here for putting things away and also kind of securing them in case you're afraid of bandidos. It's got LED lights with charging points for your phone up above your head. All new upholstery everywhere around. Back here, we come now back over the salon, or under the table, we have the water-cooled air conditioning unit. Come past the house batteries. This is where the solar system comes in, comes through the solar controller into there. The full electrical panel with all the lights, they've all been converted to LED so they don't draw a lot. Brand new stereo that goes throughout the entire salon. VHF radio with GPS in it. And this is, I set up with a Raspberry Pi. This is a navigation system. We're using OpenCPN and also an AIS device on there so that we can see who is out there in the world. Battery monitoring system. And then we come down, we've got the back side of all the electrical and the port side double berth with its own hatch, so again you don't get too hot in there. plenty of storage for clothes there. So this is the map compartment here. And then if we go down to the floor, we've got these easy access hatches and also a automatic bilge pump. Moving up here, we've got what I use as my tool compartment, which is full of tools and extra parts that'll all come with the boat. This is the head. It's got a small sink, and we have converted to a composting head, which in 15 months of being out and 2 of us using it full time, we only emptied 7 times. So that's less than every other month for 2 people using it full time, which is pretty amazing. Again, everything converted to LED lights and a powered vent fan for the composting head. So we need to get on to our next adventures. We currently have her listed at $43,009, but the truth is we'll just keep reducing the price until we sell her. So don't let this one pass you by. Contact information in the notes on the video, and give us a call. We'd love for her to go to a good home and somebody to use her on a proper adventure. And if you follow us, the Wayward Travelers, thanks for everything you do, and we'll see you on our next adventure.